Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning the alignment grid on and checking inputs. Do this now because the puzzle locks changes until the core is powered. Once the blue indicators are steady, route the left conduit into the primary receptacle so signals flow correctly. Make sure to flip the small relay near the base to allow crossfeed. This prevents feedback that will scramble your next steps. You'll see subtle camera shake when power engages. Use that as confirmation to proceed to the rotor adjustments. Once done with power, focus on rotor sequencing because alignment depends on both angle and beam order. You will rotate the top rotor 90 degrees clockwise first, then the middle rotor 45 degrees counterclockwise. This establishes the correct angular offsets for beam transfer. Next, shift the bottom rotor slowly while watching color transitions. Match red to green, then green to blue in that order so beams cascade properly. Make sure to lock each rotor immediately after verifying the pulse. To finish, engage the final sync lever and hold it for 3 seconds to initiate the calibration sequence. This forces the grid to reconcile minor phase differences. You'll know it worked when a full green ring appears and the hum steadies. At that point, the door unlocks. If the sequence fails, don't panic. Reset the relays, power cycle the core, then repeat the rotor sequence calmly. Because most failures come from a single missed lock or an inverted rotor that you can correct quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.